Introducing the Pattern Blow Dryer. We have created a curl-conscious, professional-grade blow dryer with 4 attachments. It's got 3 heat settings and 2 speed settings. If you want to smooth your hair, this button with the ions, it's for less frizz. This button right where your finger is the cool shot. We have 4 attachments. A diffuser. I'm a big diffuser user. That was cute. I'm a diffuser user. To cut time in that wash and go. Wide tooth comb based on our existing wide tooth comb. Beautiful to stretch out your curls. Here's the beauty of it. Some people like it going this way. Some people like it going this way. So there's 2 directions for all of the attachments. You don't need 2 directions for this because it's a circle. You know how that works? Every direction's the same. Do you know our shower brush? This is based on that. Game changer! This little attachment, this ditty, this boop, this bop, this brush. It's a rubber brush you're gonna detangle while you're blow drying. It's real. It's real. It's real. Yes! Get out of here! And then there's the nozzle. If you want to smooth your hair, did you see that this says pattern right here in the grill? The fact that it comes off means that you can clean it and it's cute. Using heat safely can unlock limitless possibilities for your curls, coils, and tight textures. Introducing the Pattern Blow Dryer now at patternbeauty.com. Explore your pattern. Did you catch it? Whew.